Most people don't go broke because they don't earn enough. They go broke because they use credit cards the wrong way. And the scary part? Banks want you to use them that way. Today, I'll show you how credit cards really work, why they secretly create debt, and how to use them safely without paying interest. Let's clear up the biggest lie first. A credit card is not extra money. It's a short-term loan. When you swipe your card, you're spending money that isn't yours yet. Example, you buy something for $1,000. If you don't pay it back fully, the bank charges interest, often 20% or more. That $1,000 slowly becomes $1,200, then $1,400, even if you stop spending. This is how credit card debt grows quietly. Here's something most beginners never hear. Banks make money in three main ways: interest when you don't pay in full, fees like late payments and annual fees, swipe fees every time you use the card. Here's the key insight. Banks still make money even if you never carry debt. That means you can win this game, but only if you follow your own rules. Remember this one sentence: never spend money you don't already have. Your credit card is not an emergency fund. It's not future income. It's just a payment method. If your bank balance can't cover it today, well, don't put it on a credit card. This single rule eliminates most problems. Let's get practical. 1. Use your credit card like a debit card. Ignore the credit limit. Your real limit is what's in your bank account. If you have $500, that's your spending limit, not $5,000. This mindset alone changes everything. 2. Always pay the full balance every month. Not the minimum payment, not almost all of it, the full amount. Why? Because when you pay in full, you pay zero interest, you build credit safely, you stay in control. Pro tip: set up automatic full payment. Automation protects you from mistakes. 3. Use credit cards only for predictable spending. Best beginner expenses: groceries, phone bills, transportation, subscriptions, things you already pay for. Avoid using credit cards for emotional spending, impulse buys, I'll deal with it later purchases. Credit cards don't create bad habits, they amplify them. There's psychology behind this. When you use cash, your brain feels the pain immediately. With credit cards, that pain is delayed. No money leaves your hand. No instant consequence. That's why people overspend. The fix is simple. Check your balance every week, not every month. Awareness kills overspending. Credit cards aren't evil, but they are powerful. Used carelessly, they create stress and debt. Used intentionally, they create convenience and credit history. The difference is discipline, not income. If this video helped you understand credit cards better, hit like so more beginners can see it. Subscribe for simple, no-hype personal finance. And comment below, what's the biggest mistake you've made with credit cards?